Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. This is part 20 of React integration series. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to integrate star rating in React application. So this is also one of the most important or most common use case in e-commerce application or many applications. So let us see the demo of this. Yeah, you can see here. Once you click on this, you will be able to see the rating you have given, and you can log that, and you can send to your API or database like that. And you can see here you can give the full star rating or half star rating as well. And once you select that, you can edit that as well. Yeah, and you can change the color of this, and you can change the size of this star rating, each star, and you can change the number of stars. If you want 10 stars, then you can have 10 stars, and if you want to disable this half rating, then you can do that as well. Yeah, in this way we can do everything in this React star integration, and let us see how to do that practically. So for this I have created a project called React 2, and in this I have app.json, and you can create your own component for that, so that it can be reusable in any part of your application. So it is highly recommended to create a functional component with the respective integration. Now we are going to see each and every step. First I am going to import React stars. Stars from React rating stars component. Now I am going to use this inside my return statement, and once I save this, I have already done npm start. So you can see here I already installed this React package. You have to install this package. Yes, you have to install npm install React rating stars component. I will give this command in the description, and you can install from there. Okay, once that is done, you have to do npm start, and once I head back to browser, and once I refresh this, you will be able to see this star component got rendered here. Yeah, you can see here the star component got rendered, and you will be able to see the default color as yellow or gold like that, and you will not be able to give the half star rating. So let us see how to change this color first. For that I am going to add one property called active color, and I am going to change it as some red. Once I refresh this, you should be able to see the red color. Yeah, you can see here our star background color got changed as red. So let us see the second thing, that is changing the size of this each particular star. So for that I am going to use the size property. So I am giving it as some 100, and I am doing save. Once it is saved successfully, let us go to browser and refresh this. So you can see here the size got changed. So the next thing we are going to do is changing the number of stars, like the count of number of stars. I am going to give it as 10. So you will be able to see 10 stars there. So I am going to change this size as it is becoming huge, and for the changing the number of stars I am going to use the count. equal to 10. Once I change this, you should be able to see 10 stars in the browser. You can see here the size got changed and we have got 10 stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, now we are going to change is half is equal to true. If you give this is star is half, then you will be able to give the half star rating as well. So for that you have to give is star equal to is half equal to true. So let us head back to browser and change this. So you should be able to give the half star rating as well now. Yeah, you can see here we have given half star rating, and once I remove this, all the colors will be as it is, and once I go and edit this, you can see I am able to edit this. Yeah, the next thing is how to get what user has given. Like if user has given it as 4 stars, how to get that? So for that I am going to add on change for this. On change equal to some rating change or anything. So this is the method what I am going to create. As this is functional component, I am going to create ES6 arrow function. So if you don't know how to create a ES6 arrow function and why we have to use ES6 feature, then you can go back to my playlist for React tutorials and you can get the brief discussion there. Now I am going to create arrow, and I am going to show this in the form of alert. I am going to write a text called as we have given some dollar symbol, curly braces, star rating for us. Yeah, and we have to pass a parameter or argument here called rating. I am going to write it as rating, and you can write here. Once I save this, you should be able to see the changes there. And once I refresh this browser, I am going to change this number as 5. It will work for 10 as well, for 100 as well, but it's not looking good, so that is the reason I have changed this. Yeah, let us see whether it's working or not. Yeah, you can see the changes, and once I give 3-star rating, you will be able to see you have given 3-star rating for us. And once I click on OK, and if I change this as 3.5, you can see 3.5, 5 and 1. Yeah, in this way you can integrate React stars in your project. So if this is helpful, then you can give like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on React, Angular and Node.js. Thank you.